coming up on the first stack of 40-footers.
Confirm. Clear the zone. Watch the suction pressure.
Moving the titanium roll into Bay 3 now.
Show me the traceability log for this heat treatment batch, please.
Right here. Verifying the 7075 T6 specs now.
Forklift 3, clear on the left. Watch your spacing on row 42.
Roger that. Moving into position now.
We need to reinforce the wing root joint. The stress loads are too high.
Running the simulation now. Aerodynamic impact is minimal.
And the manufacturing feasibility?
We need to reinforce this wing root joint here. The stress analysis shows a high concentration.
I'm updating the composite layup now. Let's see the new fluid dynamics.
Scan the fuselage frame.
Okay, Station 7 confirmed.
Ready on the upper panel. Backing secure. Firing now. Okay, hit it. Set.
We have a strong engine LCC and at the 3-up position.
Confirmed. The 3D reconstruction highlights a localized red zone, consistent with lack of fusion.
The C-scan shows a red indication near the 5-meter mark.
Noted. Rerunning the sequence now.
Roger that. Moving to Station 4. Clear below?
All clear. Keep it coming.
Clear to lift, crane 1. Maintain 8 feet per minute ascent.
Roger that. Lifting now. Load is stable.
Lift point secure, green on alignment.
Clear path on the left side. Bringing in stringer 42. Roger that. Watch the Klecos at the 88 frame. We're bringing the next stringer up. Clear the path. Stand by. We have a man on the ladder.
Inside Boeing's environmentally controlled Class 100,000 cleanroom facility, maintained at positive pressure and 68 degrees Fahrenheit, set to 45 inch-pounds.
Torque confirmed. Window 12 secure.
Gauges clear, seal compression looks good, torque set to 45 inch-pounds.
Reading confirmed. Gauge checks clear on position 12.
Torque sequence complete on position 7.
Reading confirmed, seals are flush, good to go.
Pull the slack through on the avionics bundle.
Watch the fiber optics near the clamp. Make sure it's secured every 6 inches.
Check the routing path on diagram 4B.
Confirmed. Ensure the service loop is adequate before securing.
the alignment on WS-120.
Clear. Moving it now.
Inspectors at WS-140 ready for sign-off. Ensure the PR-1422 sealant is applied continuously around all fasteners in Bay 3.
Confirmed. Applying the fillet beads now.
Check the torque on fitting 402. Make sure the blue path is clear.
Confirmed. Torque is set.
Verify ply orientation before we compact.
0 and 90 degrees confirmed by laser.
QC has signed off on the thickness measurements.
Team 5, verify pressure setting on manifold 3.
Reading 90 psi. Lead. Proceeding with sequence.
Torque check on station 4.
Reading 450 inch-pounds. Position confirmed.
QA accepted. Apply sealant.
Initiating flap sequence test to 20 degrees.
Clear on the outboard section. Movement is synchronized.
We are clear for translation, heading to station 450.
Speed steady, alignment holding at 0.1 degrees.
Copy that, trajectory confirmed. Rigger 1 to main hoist, confirm level at the root, tension looks good, keep it steady.
Copy that. Maintaining ascent at 10 feet per minute.
We have green on the Z-axis, coming into tolerance.
Copy that. Proceed with micro adjust sequence 3.
We have confirmation on alignment pin engagement.
Deviation indicators are now showing all green. Finalize the sequence.
Metrology confirms green status on all 72 points.
Roger that. Proceeding with final clamp sequence on fixture 3. Verify the torque settings on rib station 116.
Reading confirmed, 35 inch-pounds.
Green tag applied. Verification complete on rib station 116. Proceed to the next sequence. Cable tension checked and logged.
Actuator bolts torqued to spec. Verifying digitally.
Rudder sweep looks good, confirming sensor alignment.
Alignment holding steady at 0.010.
Verified. Proceed with the final torque sequence.
Check the gap tolerance right here.
Reading point 125.
Looks good, log it. Alignment holding steady at 3 thousandths. Proceed with the sequence.
Roger that. Engaging torque wrench on bolt 12.
Gaps are within tolerance.
Laser alignment shows green on all targets.
Roger that. Commencing final descent sequence.
Clear below, moving to position Charlie.
Rudder deflection steady at 25 degrees left.
Confirmed on indicators. Starting elevator sweep.
Pressures holding stable at 3,000 psi.
Aileron deflection reading 15.1 degrees.
Copy. Sequence complete. Stand by for elevator check.
Confirming alignment on the main trunnion, we have green lasers. Roger that. Proceed with the final approach, 0.01 resolution.
We are reaching final torque on the main attachment bolts. Roger.
Pressurizing the hydraulic system for the retraction test.
Clear the area, cycling the gear now.
Engine handling, we are clear to proceed with the final ascent.
Roger. Moving 6 inches per minute. All parameters nominal.
Verify display clarity on screen 4.
Pixel test complete. No errors detected.
Log the results in the maintenance computer.
Running the pixel test on display 3.
I'm showing nominal voltage on ARNC 664 bus 2.
Torque wrench at 180 inch-pounds.
Confirmed. Row 32. Seats A through C secured.
Torque wrench settings confirmed on row 42.
Copy that. Moving to electrical check now.
Check the pressure on the HVLP gun. We're showing a drop on panel 4.
Copy that. Adjusting flow rate now. We're clear for the next pass.
Technicians apply a continuous bead of polysulfide sealant using pneumatic caulking guns equipped with
The 3 systems providing triple redundancy powering critical flight controls, landing gear, brakes, flaps, slats, and thrust reversers.
Check the gap spacing here, it looks tight. Let me get the feeler gauge, it needs to be 1/8 inch.
Ensure the clips engage fully on the whalebone.
We're showing a perfect 1/8 inch gap here.
PSU deployment successful, green indicator solid. Copy that. Logging the data now.
PSU 22G, deployment check successful, green indicators illuminated.
Roger. Expiration date logged.
FMS 1 and 2 aligned, cross-site data looks good.
Confirming ARINC 664 status on display 4.
Power bus 1 online. Confirm green status on FMCs.
Status is green. Proceed with boot sequence.
Okay, cycling the flaps to 20 degrees.
Acknowledged, flaps transitioning to 20, monitoring actuator synchronization now.
Data stream looks nominal from here.
Aileron check, 5 degrees left.
Confirmed, 5 degrees left. Data looks good here.
This is your captain speaking. We are conducting final systems checks prior to departure.
N1 stabilized at 65%, EGT 720 Celsius, all parameters nominal, cleared to advance to 80%. N1 stabilized at 65%, EGT 720 Celsius, all parameters nominal, cleared to advance to 80%. Engine parameters?
Both engines normal, N1 stabilized, Boeing 951 Heavy ready for departure.
Boeing 951 Heavy, runway 34 left, cleared for takeoff. Boeing 951 Heavy, contact departure, good day. Boeing 951 Heavy to departure, good day.